Hello students, in our previous video we have read about the first part of this topic tiny teacher, and we have discussed about the wonderful society of ants where all kind of ants do their assigned work. It means worker do their own work, soldiers do their work, and children are kept in separate parts of the ant hill, and in this way they live peacefully in their colonies. That is what we have read in this topic. Now let's carry on. The queen is the mother of the entire population of the colony. In this colony, the queen is the mother of the entire population. It lives for about 15 years. My God, you can see that the life of a queen is very large. It lives for about 15 years. It has a pair of wings but bites them off after its wedding flight. This flight takes place on a hot summer day. The queen leaves the nest and goes out to meet a male ant or drone. Male ant is also known as a drone, and this mother ant goes on a some hot summer day for mating, and it leaves the nest and go for a male ant, that is called drone, and high up in the air on its return to the earth it gets rid of its wings. It has wings, but it leaves those wings after mating with the male, and now after mating it removes its wings, and then does nothing but lays eggs. And after mating it does no work, it only lays eggs. Eggs hatch and grubs come out. Grubs means tiny ants, little ones of the ants, and eggs hatch and grubs come out. Soldiers guard them, workers feed and clean them. Workers workers go in the search of food. They bring the food, they give it to the grubs, they feed them and they clean them, and also carry them about daily for airing, exercise and sunshine. Means this is the work of the workers, to give them exercise, get them out for airing and sunshine. 2 or 3 weeks later, grubs become cocoons and lie without food or activity. For 3 weeks more, then the cocoons break and perfect ants appear. Now it's time for teaching and training. New ants learn their duties from old ants as workers, soldiers, builders, cleaners, etc. Means the newly born children, now they are trained to become a worker or a soldier or a builder or a cleaner. After a few weeks training, the small ants are ready to go out into the big world of the work. An ant hill is a home not only for ants but also for some other creatures like beetles, lesser breeds of ants, and the green fly. Why do ants want these alien creatures to live in their nest? For several reasons. Some give off smell pleasant to ant senses, others give sweet juices, and some are just pets or playthings like cats and dogs to human beings. The green fly is the ant's cow. The ants train it to give honeydew like milk. With a touch of their antenna, they milk it just as we milk the cow. Have humans learned as much as ants have? Perhaps they have, but they haven't put their learning to good use. They may still learn a few things from this tiny teacher: hard work, sense of duty, and discipline, cleanliness, care for young ones, and above all, a firm loyalty to the land where they live. So these are what the things that we can learn from the tiny teacher. That is the aunt. That the aunt is very hardworking. It has a high sense of duty and a discipline and cleanliness and a care for young ones, and above all, a firm loyalty to the land where they live. These are the things that we can learn from the tiny teacher, that is called ants. So in this way this chapter is complete, and you can try for this comprehension check. If any problem, then you can ask me. Okay, thank you.